Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nilpar Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? And all of you are fit and fine. Welcome to my online class. Dear students, today I discuss with you Chapter 11, Information and Communication. My dear students, please take your science book and open your book, page number 71. In your last class, I discussed with you information, ways of some collecting information. So, dear students, what is information? Information is knowledge that we get about someone or something. We are always getting various kinds of information such as events, weather and news to easy collecting information. Some of ways of collecting information. Information comes from different sources such as the television, radio, newspaper and books. We can get information through the internet. Tools such as the television, radio and newspaper that are used to deliver information are called media. And we hear messages or experience from parents or classmates. We also gather information from people through communication, and sharing information is also very important for our life. So if we do not share the information, people may suffer heavy damage from the cyclone. We should gather and share correct information for a better life. So dear students, our today's topic is exchanging information. People have developed various types of technology such as the newspaper, books, radio, TV and computer. We can get information and communicate with people by using technologies. By using information, we bring change of our lifestyle. Information helps us to decide what to do. The technological tools used to create, to collect, to analyze, and to exchange information is called information and communication technology. It is called ICT in short form. So, information and communication technology makes our life easy and is used in many ways in the fields of business, education, medical and agricultural service. There are various types of information and communication technologies such as computer, the internet, mobile phone, TV, radio and camera are examples of ICT. So my dear students, in your textbook page number 71, you can see activity whose name is communication tools. So what to do? Make a table like the one shown below. You can see two columns. How do you communicate with people? And another column is what technology do you use? Chapter 11. Okay. So I discuss with you communicate tools activity. Please take your science copy and note down it. is draw a column of how do you communicate with people, and you have to draw 2 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 2 columns and 5 rows. I hope you have finished your table. To draw your table. Okay. 1. How do you communicate with people? You can communicate with your people through talking, through writing, and through electronic mail or email. And what technology do you use? You can use telephone, mobile, letters, internet. So dear students, through discussion we can get ideas about the technologies we use for communication. Similarly, we can understand that advancement of technology will make our lifestyle easier. So you can see a girl who says, how can you keep in contact with your relatives living at a distant place? You can contact with nowadays you can contact with mobile phone, or you can writing a letters. So a boy says, I sometimes get letters from my uncle. So think and share. How did early people used to communicate with each other? So you have to think and share. How did early people used to communicate with each other? Okay. So dear students, please turn over your page number 72. Exchanging information. People have developed various types of technology such as the newspaper, books, radio, TV and computer. We can get information and communicate with people by using technologies. Communication means exchanging information. A long time ago, people communicate with each other by drawing or speaking. To communicate with people who lived far away, people went to see them or sent a messenger. People sent messages by using carrier pigeons, smoke signals, or beating drum. My dear students, in your textbook, page number 72, you can see some of picture. First picture is a pigeon picture, and second picture is gathering some people. So first picture is sending message through carrier pigeon. Second picture is beating a drum for communication. Now we use technology when we exchange information. We can talk with people by using land telephone or mobile phone, even though we live very far from each other. So dear students, we can exchange messages through email. We can communicate with people by sending letters also. Our lifestyle will be more easier along with the advancement of technology. So you can also see some of picture in your textbook 72. You can see two girls, they are talking on the phone. They are talking each other on the phone, and you can see second picture, a man who is announcing through loudspeaker, loud hailer or speaker, loud hailer. And you can see the picture number 3, a girl who sending a letter, posting a letter in a post box. So there is communication, exchanging information. So dear students, do you know what is communication? Communication means exchanging information. It is important for exchanging information. So communication means exchanging information. It is important for exchanging information. So you can see activity or a project for you. Let's make a simple telephone. So what you will need, you have to need 2 paper or plastic cups, a sewing needle, string or wire. You can do it at your home. How to make? You have to make a small hole at the bottom of each cup and thread the string through each cup. Tie knots at each end to stop it pulling through the cup. Move into position with you and a friend holding the cups at a distance. That makes the string tight. One person talks into the cup while the other puts the cup to their ear and listens. So dear students, you can see boys and girls, they're sending message through telephone. They make a simple telephone. I hope you also make a simple telephone at your home and you can communicate with each other. So dear students, no more today. Please note down today's homework. Read page 71 to 72. Yeah, I hope you have finished your writing. If you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.